Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to trade on close ranging market. So let's start. This is GBP USD and this is OTC market. I'm going to place call option here. I place call option because the market is ranging, and if you look here, we have the buyer's level here, we have the seller's level here. We also see rejection from sellers on this level. This candle is still at the buyer's level, so buyers again will enter on the next candle because the market is ranging. So that's why I place call option. Now the buyers is now at the seller's level. But we need to see a rejection. I'm going to place put option. I place put option because we see a rejection, small rejection. So the sellers will now enter on the next candle. So that's why I place put option here. Okay. The sellers entered. So I will take for compound trading. We know that the buyers are here. So this is buyer's level. We can also see some rejection from buyers. A strong rejection. So let's see how the candle will close. I'm going to place put option. I place put option here because it's still far from the buyer's level. So the sellers again will enter on the next candle. You can see a hammer candlestick. So the sellers will enter on the next candle. So that's why I place put option. A strong seller's entry. We can see a strong seller's entry, and we know this level as the buyer's level. This level as the buyer's level. Okay. So let's see how this candle will close here, because I'm seeing a new low. I'm going to place call option. I place call option because it's still at the buyer's level with this strong rejection. So the buyers will enter on the next candle. So that's why I place call option here. Okay. So the buyers will enter, and I place my trade at the safe entry. So this will be my last trade. You can see it's testing the buyer's level, but it will close as bullish candle. Okay. So I'll stop trading because this is OTC market. So it's not good to overtrade on OTC market. So right now I have accomplished my 4 compound trading with candlestick analysis, and this is where I will stop trading. So I will not trade anymore because this is OTC market, so I don't want to waste my money. I don't want to lose my money again on OTC market. So it is better not to overtrade OTC market. Just trade at the right opportunity, at the right time, at the best opportunity, or at the time the market is good. Just place your trade, okay, and get out of the market. Don't place your trade too much on OTC market. You can see what happens here. When this candle was forming, the buyer is supposed to enter immediately, but we can see some fluctuation before the buyers enter. If this fluctuation happen continuously, it will definitely close as bearish candle. If the fluctuation happen rapidly, it will close as bearish candle. So it's a sign that the market is not good to trade. So always avoid bad market. So this trade, I take trade for compound trading on ranging close ranging market. This is close ranging market. You can see the market is ranging. So that's why I take some trades here on this level. The first trade I took was because this is buyer's level. If you observe the video I uploaded some days ago, you see that I show you how you can draw the support area and the resistance area. So this is the support area, the buyer's level. At the support area, I'm seeing a reversal candlestick with new high. So the sellers are here, because we can also see some rejection. This is also the sellers area here. The sellers are also here. So the sellers are here while the buyers are here. So this candle is still at the buyers area, because we can see rejection. So this is buyers area, and this is reversal candlestick. So the next candle will be bullish. So that's why I place call option. Okay, and I place put option here because look at here, we have the seller's level here. This candle stopped at the seller's level, so I expect to see rejection, but later I saw a very small rejection. If I didn't see any rejection here, I will go with buyers, but I'm seeing a small rejection. So this is a sign that the sellers will enter on the next candle, and there's a new low. Okay, and here I place put option because we already know this level as the buyer's level. We already know this level at the buyer's level. The sellers entered with a strong selling pressure. On reaching this level, the buyers rejected the market back. They bounced it back to them that we don't want it. Now this candle closed here, still far from this level. This candle also is at the seller's area. That means the next candle will be bearish candle. So that's why I place call option. That's why I place put option. Okay, and here I place call option because you need to observe the market very well. In this kind of situation, we saw this new low. I wanted to go with sellers here, but when I look at it, when I look at the level psychologically, I noticed that it's still at the buyer's level, assuming that it closed below this buyer's level, the sellers will enter. But because of this new low, the buyers are weak here. The buyers are supposed to enter very strongly, but because of this new low, so I wanted to go with sellers here, but I immediately realized that it's still at the buyer's level, this rejection. So that means the buyers will enter, and we know this level as buyer's level, and it's close exactly at the buyer's level. So that means the buyers will enter on the next candle with this strong rejection. So that's why I place call option. Okay, so I have accomplished my 3 compound trading, because this is OTC market, so I don't like trading too much on OTC market. So if it is real market, I can take 7 trades with compounding trading, but I stopped here. Okay, this is how you can place your trade. This is how you can analyze the market in a simple way. And if you want to trade like this, choose a market that is ranging, a close ranging market. We have the down, up and 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 down, and make sure that the up and down is very clear and seen as the buyers and sellers level. The up side here is the buyers sellers level, while the lower side here is the buyers level. So that means the buyers the buyers and sellers will start ranging. Okay, so when you are placing your trade, if you want to place your trade here, choose a close ranging market, or you choose a previous level, then place your trade. Okay, but mostly choose a ranging market, not consolidation area. Okay, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.